Okay, so we are taking my car because my car fits our snowboards. There's so much crap in here and my lover's car does not. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice all of Piper's hair. I have to put this away. All of this. Plus the boxes and, well, if we want to be fast. And now my battery's dead, so my lover's gonna jump start my car. Oh my gosh. I need to sell my car or just get rid of it because I don't use it as much. Hey guys, so we're driving all the way to IKEA Burbank because my IKEA and other California IKEAs don't have the glass door cabinet I'm looking for. If you watch my last video, you'll see that I got the Silver Dragon Alocasia and he is not doing so well. His tips are browning and I'm 90% sure it's due to low humidity. He was shipped from Florida and I'm pretty sure he was in the greenhouse, plus Florida's really humid and our house isn't humid even though it feels nasty and humid inside. So I think the best way I can get the humidity up other than a humidifier is to get a glass door cabinet. I also got a humidifier for him, so hopefully that works. And a lot of people use IKEA's glass cabinets for greenhouse cabinets, and plus every glass door cabinet is like at least $100, $200, $300 plus dollars, and this one's only $60. We obviously don't like LA, driving up to LA. Someone hates LA. We both hate LA, but someone hates it a little bit more, and the only reason we drive up to LA is to see our families or to go to LAX, but that's about it. The only time we drove up to LA willingly, which didn't involve seeing our families, was to go to a vegan food festival, and we're not doing that anymore because San Diego does have some every now and then, but this will be one of the rare times where we're driving up to LA other than seeing our families. So hopefully it's worth it. If it wasn't for Corona, I wouldn't mind like going around. It's the biggest one.
Yeah, I know.
Like it would be so fun to go around, but I'm pretty sure the line is like really crazy.
No, I can only imagine.
Welcome, entrance. Just follow everyone. There has to be a pickup section.
Click and collect parking.
If there's a line to go into this IKEA, then we'll come back to the car. But if not, I really want to walk around since it's the biggest one. Hopefully no one steals my cabinet. They can break in my car, who cares? It's an old car. Let's go. It's like we're in a Halloween haunted house. This is cute. See, I like stuff like that. Ooh, I really like that lamp. Looks like any other IKEA. Well, I assume since it's the biggest one that like it would be like huge. Every like Yelp review, people were so angry. They're like, "Oh, I had to wait so long." Like no one's serious. Like we can't even get into our IKEA. So I'm trying to look for something to put my grow lights in. It's either this or the standing lamp over there. So this is what I was looking for my grow light. This guy too. I mean, it's only $15.
Western Reserve University and the Cleveland Clinic in Cleveland, Ohio. Tonight, we'll bring you the debate in its entirety, plus our analysis.
It shouldn't be 21%. You have these federal, and the Fortune 500 who don't pay a single penny in tax, making.
I know. I didn't want Biden.
Passed that. That was your tax proposal.
I got it done, and you know what happened?
Be up there with so many
Economy boom.
statistics.
Yeah, I know, amazing.
Mr. President, please.
Well, it's hard to get any word in with this clown.
Mr. President, Mr. President, Mr. President, let him answer. No.
Can I be honest?
Yay, it's all done. After 10 years, after sitting through that freaking debate. We're screwed, yo.
We really are.
We're screwed.
We really are.
Okay, so originally I wanted to put this guy over here in the corner since I film like my plant stuff right there. And I wanted to show a little bit more plants than Legos. Even though I'm gonna get a grow light for these guys, I feel like they would still need to have some sun. And I feel like this corner, I mean, there's some sun, but I feel like it's not a lot of sun. So I think I'm just gonna keep him right here in front of the sun, and I'm gonna move this guy more to the left. Turn on the living room light. Okay guys, so that is it for now. I'm still gonna get some wiring shelves. I still have to get some fans, so when my humidifier runs, there can be air circulation. My growing light is still coming in the mail. So yeah, I can't really show you guys all that right now, but this is the cabinet. Obviously it comes with one more glass divider, but that broke when we took it out. So, but that's not a big deal because again, I was planning to change these into wiring shelves. But yeah, that is it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.